Meritto CRM tutorial. In today's fast-paced world of education and admissions, institutions can't afford to rely on outdated methods of managing student inquiries, follow-ups, and applications. Whether you're running a university, a training institute, or an edtech platform, staying connected with prospects and nurturing them into enrolled students requires a powerful system that brings everything under one roof. This is where Meritto CRM, formerly known as No Paper Forms, comes in. Meritto is a purpose-built customer relationship management platform designed specifically for the education sector. Unlike generic CRMs, Meritto understands the challenges institutions face, from capturing leads across multiple sources to personalizing engagement, tracking the admissions funnel, and making data-driven decisions. The real strength of Meritto is that it's more than just a CRM. It's a complete admissions and enrollment solution. It helps teams manage inquiries, nurture leads, automate communication, and ensure that every potential student receives the right message at the right time. In this video, we'll explore the platform, covering its most important features, their benefits, and why it has become one of the go-to CRMs for education in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the lead capture and centralization. Meritto connects with all your lead sources, whether it's your website, social media ads, Google campaigns, education fairs, or third-party portals. Every inquiry automatically flows into a single dashboard, eliminating manual entry and scattered data. This ensures no lead is ever missed. Admissions teams can instantly view, assign, and act on inquiries, which improves response times and increases the chances of converting leads into enrollments. Another key feature is the automated nurturing and communication. With Merito, institutions can create personalized communication workflows using emails, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and even phone calls through integrations. Nurturing journeys can be tailored to where the prospect is in the admissions funnel. Instead of sending generic messages, prospects get timely and relevant updates that guide them from inquiry to enrollment. This builds stronger relationships and keeps students engaged with your institution. Another key feature is the admissions and application management. Merito includes an end-to-end admissions module where students can apply online, upload documents, pay fees, and track their status. On the back end, admissions teams can review applications, schedule interviews, and manage workflows in one place. This reduces paperwork, eliminates back and forth emails, and speeds up the admission cycle. Institutions save time while students enjoy a seamless digital first application experience. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. The platform provides detailed insights into lead performance, counselor productivity, campaign ROI, and enrollment trends. Custom dashboards and reports help institutions make informed decisions at every stage. Leaders can see exactly which campaigns drive results and where bottlenecks exist in the admissions process. This data-driven approach ensures better allocation of resources and more predictable enrollment outcomes. Another key feature is the collaboration and counselor tools. Meritto gives counselors and admission staff all the tools they need to manage calls, set reminders, track conversations, and collaborate with teammates. Notes and history for every student are logged, so there's no confusion or duplication of effort. Counselors can deliver more personalized experiences, while admissions leaders gain transparency into team performance. This improves efficiency across the board and ensures a consistent experience for every prospect. So, why is Merito a great choice? Merito stands out because it's not just another CRM trying to fit into education. It's built for it. Every feature, from lead capture to application management, is tailored for the admissions lifecycle. This means institutions don't have to force fit generic sales tools into their processes. In 2025, when competition for student enrollment is higher than ever, personalization and speed are critical. Merito enables institutions to deliver both. By automating routine tasks, streamlining communication, and providing deep insights, it helps education providers focus on what really matters: building meaningful relationships with students. Scalability is another big advantage. Whether you're a small coaching center, handling a few hundred leads, or a university managing tens of thousands of applications, Merito adapts to your scale. So basically, Meritto CRM has become one of the most trusted platforms for education institutions because it solves the unique challenges of student engagement and enrollment. From capturing leads to managing applications, nurturing prospects, and analyzing results, it provides everything you need in one integrated system. So, if you're looking to modernize your admissions process, improve student experiences, and give your team the tools to work smarter, Merito is a platform worth considering in 2025. So, with the right setup, it can transform how you attract, engage, and enroll students, helping your institution grow with confidence. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.